welcome again at Stocks Advisor channel. In today's episode, we will talk about Hall of Fame Resort and Entertainment Company traded at Nasdaq, ticker name HOFV. And you see, of course, HOFV was making today very big move and making it 31.07% trade in one day. Of course, this is really huge, but also if you look at the previous history, it made even more. So this is a company on an incredible huge uptrend, and as a company with a market capitalization only on 562 millions, it is quite expected to have those ranges of price volatility. And also you can see that after hours it's trading almost minus 459. Of course, changing, it's just floating number, will change probably even more. But this is also quite expected because during the day trade you can see here there were some waves, and we are after hours now actually trading inside of the second wave here, trying to go lower, probably to the level of 6 and even lower. But we will see how it will trade. Anyway, what is important, this growth is also happening on recent news on some collaborations. And you can see that this company is experiencing really a kind of epic return, you can call it, because it was already on those levels in July, June. Then it declined really severely during from June, August, September, actually October, all the way till December. There was a severe decline here. And then after having some kind of a recovery wave in December, November, December, you see we started to grow here with two waves. So 1, 2, and the third wave went with acceleration. And now what we have, it's a very interesting kind of a U-shaped formation. So after acceleration, decline, and then reconfirmation, looks like we're going for secondary decline. And it seems like there could be a further growth, but also strong volatility is possible. So we need to appreciate both possibilities in the sense that to be trading safe, because there is one level very interesting, historically formed, and of course maybe not that strong with respect to traded volume, but very strong with respect to expectation and the chart formation, because the volumes traded today and actually recent several days, you can see it's incomparable to what was happening before. So the volumes are incredibly high. Also, of course, declines are quite high here, you can see. So we need to be prepared for really severe volatility waves, but it's also can bring some nice profits here. So this level that is depicted here is very nice with respect to the fact that it was previously forming very strong resistance level, now looks like to be a supportive level. And actually it's not even the level, but the channel here between 5 and all the way to almost 6. So between 5 and 6, you can say 590, let's say. This is really very nice level to enter if this possibility comes. So let's call it S1, S2 channel. And the best way to trade here would be to wait if it comes, if you can. So anything at 6 or below, it's an immediate buy. And therefore really trying to catch the wave on the volatility. So between 5 and 6 would be the safest entry on this uptrend. And then if it goes high, you make your profit. Usually we advise lower levels, but this one is extremely volatile, so it's 15 to 20% profit taking is advised here. Once you have it, don't hesitate, take it, re-enter if needed, or check other opportunities. Don't sit too long. Don't be too greedy, otherwise you will lose your moment. And if momentum is lost, a stock can go really actually reversive, and you can lose your money. Also, not forgetting that we are currently RSI is extremely overbought. Well, we were, now we're again in overbought area. So after some volatility, it might still, of course, go even higher, but then it won't last forever. This is important to have because there will be at certain moment a major correction coming as well. But for the moment, for these couple of days, at least for tomorrow, it looks like the S1, S2 will be the most safe entry, and then you can make your profit by immediate respike actually here. But still, what is possible, it could decline as well. Now, we don't need to forget this situation, this possibility. And then, of course, if this is happening, well, we just need to wait really strongly. This is the very safe level here to wait, being between 3 and 3. Actually, let's write it here. Of course, you can say, well, it's almost like 40% lower. Yes, it's true, but also if you look at the volatilities here, and how fast the price is changing, it's rather okay to be preparing for this kind of action. So this will be then the second level to enter. If we immediately start declining here purely on volatility, but it's not expected to decline really high, it most probably that actually the channel, let's call these ones S3, S4, and then it's most probable that the channel S1, S4 will later, especially for midterm traders, will create kind of a mid of the trading channel for future, because the price will be piercing these levels from bottom to the top more often, I think. Also, what is important that we are MACD wise on the top already, the wave is forming, so a couple of higher moves are possible, but then it needs to finish. It might still make a secondary wave going even higher, but this is still not given, and it's more like a casino question. We still don't know, but what is important, once it slightly starts to bend downwards, the severe decline might happen, at least temporarily, and then of course it could go higher again. So with this being said, that's quite easiest way to trade here. And just to mitigate risks, again, it's not given at all on this price section, but just to mitigate some risks, if some negative, some really doomsday stuff comes that will just destroy the price, we need to just be able to enter here, which will be between 155 and 2, just to have some funds there, because you see that this stock is even capable to go lower, and we don't need to forget it's just about just 500 millions plus market capitalization company. So for these companies, news could be severe and the game can change really fast. So you just need to keep some funds for risks mitigation. This would be the best level to do it according to the chart. And because it's still a very nice way to trade, very aggressive stock, but we need to go for deeper, let's say, risk mitigation. It's advised here to play 4 portions, play not 5, so it's 1, 1, 2, meaning that the funds you would like to play here, you can split in 4 portions. Then you can buy with 1 portion in the first channel, you can buy again with 1 portion in the second channel if you decline, and then you can average down again with 2 portions if really on the negative catalyst we decline to the third level, which is not expected at all, but it's better to have these funds in your, let's say, reserve to buy if needed. So with this being said, this is the numerical card trading table. If you are more for graphical, you could look here, and this actually makes for you so-called trading card. You can save it or print screen or print it out, keep it as a guidance for trading here. And again, not forgetting that we advise always taking price 15 to 20% according to our opinion videos, because this is the best way to trade. If you, from every trade you make these kind of profits, believe me, you are on the way to become a very rich person. So with this being said, that's actually all for HOFV at the moment. Very volatile, very fast, small market cap, so will attract a lot of, let's say, also people trading with a casino style, I call it, or trying to actually catch the wave, catch the one trade, become rich strategy, which is usually not good, but nevertheless, they will be most probably attracted here. So it could be very nicely volatile stock. If you trade it smartly, cautiously and safely, you could make a nice profit here. So with this being said, good luck. Do not forget to subscribe to our channel. We have daily many interesting videos, many interesting stocks for you analyzed. And yeah, press the bell button. This way you will not miss those videos. Let's make money together. Let's stay connected and see you at another episode of Stocks Advisor channel.